has many firsts. Yeah, Sarawak has many firsts. The first state to fully utilize hydrogen transportation, okay, using hydrogen, electricity, okay, the first state who own a media company, that is Sarawak Media Group SMG, that also um, provided the launch of TVS TV Sarawak. Okay, and TV Sarawak, although TV Sarawak, but also they cover news from Sabah as well. Borneo lah, it's for Borneo lah, it's for Borneo. And then Sarawak is the first state to have its own airline. Other states that are rich, far more richer than Sarawak, for example Selangor. Selangor is far more richer than Sarawak because Selangor has a lot of factories. Shah Alam, a lot of factories, yeah. Tapi Sarawak is the first state and the only state in Malaysia that has its own airline. Even Johor pun tak ada airline, walaupun Johor kaya daripada Sarawak. Even Penang pun tak ada airline, kaya daripada Sarawak. Okay.